Alright, food lovers, today I'm diving into the crispy, crackling world of Lechon Kawali. Now, if you've ever heard of lechon, you know it's that glorious whole roasted pig from big Filipino fiestas. But let's be real, not all of us have space for a whole pig at home, right? That's where Filipino home cooks got creative. Inspired by Spanish colonizers who brought the concept of lechon and their own chicharron, Filipinos put their spin on it. Instead of roasting a whole pig, they went with pork belly, the juiciest, most flavorful cut. They turned to the kawali, a trusty wok or deep pan, and that's how Lechon Kawali was born. It's everything you love about lechon, just in a smaller, everyday package. Here's how the magic happens. First, the pork belly is simmered in a savory broth, soaking up all those flavors and getting super tender. Then, it's air-dried and deep-fried until the skin is golden, bubbly, and loud enough to crackle when you bite in. The result? Pure crispy bliss. Outside, you get that shatteringly crunchy skin, and inside, it's juicy, melt-in-your-mouth pork. Lechon Kawali is a staple at family gatherings, birthdays, or honestly, any day you're craving something special. And every region has its twist. Some say it's the Tagalog regions like Bulacan that made deep frying popular, while up north in Ilocos, you'll find bagnet, a close cousin with its own cult following. So next time you want to taste a Filipino celebration, but without the whole pig, you know what to make. Lechon Kawali, Filipino innovation at its crispiest and best. Hungry yet?